Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I'm hoping that my camera is focusing today. Really, I am. That was just to focus. I'm not sure if I'll ever use a balloon roll again, but I might. Today I'm going to experiment with golden ring pours and Amsterdam Standard Series. This is the black. I'm not sure it's a specific black. It says lamp black. Anyway, so I made up my typical recipe with Floetrol and GAC 800, and I've got it in the white also. I wonder where I put my glasses down. Oh, that's not good. Wait, I know where they are. That's a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and those are my ring pour cups. And I'm going to take those out of here right now. And I have a variety of things. I have Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with some orange in it. I have Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold. I have some gold that I bought when I couldn't find any more Deco Art Americana, and it's sort of matte. You can see that it's not as shiny as the others. I have Golden Hour, which is a pearlescent from Arteza, and I love that color. And that's not open. Maybe we won't be using it. If I can get it open in the next 10 seconds, we will. This is my mica powder, which I have mixed with God knows what, all kinds of things, until it is a similar consistency to everything else. I got it open. I also have some Arteza silver, which I may use in between. And there is my white, my Amsterdam white, my Amsterdam black. I also have standing by some fire opal from Folk Art, and maybe that's backwards, and some copper, which are very similar. But I'm going to be starting with what? I think I'm going to start with some of my Amsterdam white in the bottom of the cup, and move on to some of the Deco Art Americana with 24 karat gold. Put some Golden Hour in there. Go every ring or two, put some more white, Amsterdam white in there. A little bit of the mica powder. Ooh, that's really different. Wow. A little more Amsterdam white since it's so different. A little of the Deco Art Americana. Whoop, that wasn't shaken. Well, we have some Floetrol in there now. And I avoided the paint chips. Okay, that's not coming out very well. I thought I had a whole lot more of that, and maybe I have a larger bottle ready and standing by. There we go. I got my plug out. There's a little more Amsterdam white. We'll start the whole process over with the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold with the orange in it. And do the Golden Hour again. A lot more. The Amsterdam white. Let's try some of this. I think it's called matte, and I'm not sure who made it, but it's definitely different, and it'll be going down first. When I get about a half a cup, I think I'll be calling it good. I want to put just a little bit of whichever coppery color this is in there, because I can. That's the name of my first book. Actually, I'm just going to town with everything. I'm going to make up another cup of colors with the black in between to see what will happen. Those look like good colors to me. So let's start this time, frighteningly enough, with the black and the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold and the Golden Hour from Arteza, and a little more black. I'm shy about the black because when it's enamel, and this is not, it muddies the colors. That's the Deco Art Americana with gold in it. This is the mica powder. I want to put some white in here too, just because. Actually, maybe I'll use some of the pearl. You need is white metallic, because I can. And back to the Deco Art Americana 24 karat gold and the black. Amsterdam black. You need is white pearl, white metallic. Let's do some of the matte. Let's do the stuff with orange in it. I'm getting so exact, right? And I'm kind of thinking I'll probably get cells, because of the Amsterdam, but I don't know that for a fact. That's what makes this a good experiment. I'm going to move all these out of the way. I'm really tempted to put, I'm going to keep my black and my white. Actually, I'm going to keep all my colors handy. I didn't put any silver in there. I'm going to put some silver in there, right down the middle. Right in everything. So I've got edge catchers, and hopefully they're unstuck from each other. We need a long one. We probably need a short one too for the short end. Use the long one underneath, and one standing by. Put that one right down here. This is art therapy for me today. I recently spoke to my homeopath who told me I had something like 130% stress. I'm going to do some straight pours. Some, just some. And I'm probably going to surround these with some other stuff. I might do a waggling ring pour at some point in time, and I can certainly do that if I want to. I'm not sure I planned on putting black around them, but I like the contrast, so it doesn't seem like a bad idea to me. Let's do the... Let's go around in the circle. Yeah, let's just change my turntable. I've got enough paint left to do something. I'm going to keep going with the black plan. Put a little extra right in there. I think I'm going to do what I've done often recently, but not so much in the past. A torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint, and also to encourage any cells. This is for gold lovers. I'm hoping that they're all so different from each other. It's pretty wild. Once I have them tipped and spread as far as I can go, and I'm thinking about doing it in a sweep and a diagonal, then I will go back and I will fill in with some more. We do have some nice cells in the gold, right in here especially. Whoop, right over the edge. Alright, I wasn't ready for that. I was looking, there was a car driving by my house really slow. It's just kind of creepy that my studio window is right on the road. Makes it really hard to work in here late at night. Super creepy then. But I would like to. It's just there's no room for a shade to go up. So I'm liking that the black is still in evidence, but I believe that that's the part that I put the biggest amount in, so that's what I'm going to do again. I'm going to let that merge with that and then lead the rest of it away to a degree at least. I like the rounded ring pour. I like that I caught that before it ran into my torch. Now you could do this manually, no problem. That was not the cleanest. And it's definitely time to pull out that edge catcher. Maybe the short one first. I think so. Just in case. See, the other paint is not flowing as fast as this paint is, and that's a good thing. And if I want more rings, I've got enough paint, or I can add more paint to the cups I've got. Nobody's stopping me. Let's do some of this. And I can always keep my paint, but most of the time, once it creates that seal against the edge of the canvas, I throw it back again. I can take all of this right off there and use it with my spatula. I'm going to use my short edge catcher. So I can let my paint go over the edge, and I'll rock my edge catcher ever so briefly. This is going to look really, really agate-y. Squeeze that down. Squeeze it down so it goes down the other direction. I'm holding it only against the bottom edge right now so I can accumulate some paint before I throw it back on. I haven't done anything like this for a long, long time. I learned a lot about the colors I like and the textures I like from working with the edge catchers. It's evidently a busy time of day. I think I'm going to come over here. I'm not sure about the black yet, but I think that if I put it down in between, that'll work out for me. Squeeze a little extra in the center. You might not need any more paint. You can't be certain though. Drip. Okay. You know what I didn't do? I didn't torch. I did waste a little paint, but oh well. Give it a quick torch. All the colors of stone. Let's bring back my short edge catcher again. Picked up something on the tip of my finger. I don't know what it was. Now a lot of times I can just move paint right down. I got to be a little careful doing it because it seems like I could make a mess pretty easily. I can also take paint right off my edge catchers and put it right back into the composition, which is looking pretty appealing right about now. Except for I hate putting my fingerprint in the side of the canvas. So, I like all this black. So I'm just going to put some more over here. Let that go right down. Think about what I want to do with this, which is pretty much the same thing. Not sure that that's going to draw the paint over, but that is the usual plan. I am going to use painty-ended bamboo skewer. And my thumbnail. Try and line up my painting and hope that I don't destroy the continuity of the design that I really like right now. And if I pour enough paint on to the edge catcher and the other hasn't caught up, I'll just use what's on the edge catcher to fill in afterwards, which is looking very likely at this point. But before that happens, I may still want to throw it back again. And a little squeeze never hurt anything. As a matter of fact, that's usually what makes coverage come about? That's kind of neat. I think I'm almost done. So I got to tell you guys, there's over 91,000 of you, and I'm going to grab an OXO. No, I'm not. I'm going to grab a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and use the paint that's on my edge catcher right in my gaps and on my edges. I was saying, there are 91,000 of you guys. There's over almost 91,500 of you guys subscribed. And I don't get the views that I believe I'm entitled to, but if you share my videos, you help my channel's survival. If you check the end screen, you're going to find that month's exhibition video and the prizes for that month's drawing. I like a lot of that. I want something else that's black, right? And I want to use the torch again. Yeah, I wanted a little more line of demarcation, and I'm going to grab a straw. To help integrate that. So I have 2 minutes to tell you guys that if you shop my Amazon link on the link tree that's right under the video, you help me out. You help me buy art supplies and keep me painting here. I really appreciate all the wonderful comments you give me. And I appreciate all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. I'm going to try and pick up some of the paint that I've got on my tile and just apply it right to my gaps. This is definitely an interesting experiment. I have not worked a whole lot of times with the Amsterdam products. So it's all new to me. Yes, I just did that. A few little marks morphed right in with my spatula. Never heard anything. Added a little design element, I think. I've got some more black, so I can move down a little bit. What else should I tell you? I have Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, all on my link tree, along with my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. For students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more. For those of you who want to shop my Fine Art America, pixels.com. My Teespring clothing below the video has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts on it. Oh, I got some beautiful cells, but they're not on the painting. I have these really wonderful patterns though, and I'm not complaining about those a bit. I'm going to torch one more time. Tell you guys I really appreciate you sharing my videos, and I love getting a thumbs up. So if you can manage to remember to give me a thumbs up, it's very appreciated. Your comments are also appreciated, as I've already said. What else should I tell you? I do sell my artwork, and I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Thank you all for shopping my Amazon link. And my 2 books are there because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. Check the community board for tomorrow's video, and know that I have over 1,800 videos organized on playlists by the 100, and also by topic and genre. If I can answer any questions, please let me do that for you by asking. And know that my paint pouring recipe is below the video. I'm not sure what we're going to get by zooming in. This is just, it looks like a piece of stone. It's pretty cool. I want some black over here. And I'm going to have it before you're gone. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out in Spring Hill, Florida. I didn't zoom all the way in. Can I? Yeah, that's pretty cool. See you.